Good afternoon, friends. This is around 12:30, and we are having the list of stocks which are satisfying our condition specified in our strategy, which has been disclosed to you all. So, friends, we will discuss in all these stocks in the chronological order. These stocks are having the bullish tendency and anytime they can just shoot in the northward direction. So friends, I'm sharing you the list. This is the list. That is HDFC Asset Management Company Limited, Tata Consumer Product Limited, Ipca Laboratories and Polycab Limited, Polycab India Limited. These are the stocks which I will discuss in the chronological order. So friends, I am moving you to the chart. This is the chart. We are opening first page. See the HDFC Asset Management Company. HDFC AMC. This is the chart of 1 hour, and what do you observe? Chicago time is above the cloud and above the price. Conclusion is overall bullish. Okay. Short trade should be avoided in this case. The first four. Second, have you seen any crossover in the AMC? AMC has given the crossover at around here. Trend confirmation candle. This is the trend confirmation candle, and accordingly you can fix the trigger price. Remove drawing. I am removing the drawing. So it has traveled from this level 26,059 to not 26,059, 26,159. Now it is currently trading at 2,884. So friends, 200 point jump is here. Now still the stock is in bullish zone, and now when we should take the another entry. Whether we should enter into the trade. We could enter with a strict stop loss of 2878. You can enter into the trade with a strict stop loss of 2878. But this is not the ideal position to enter. You should enter at around this level. Because here there is no trigger price or this level. So What is the safest entry level? That is 2819 and 2796. Unless and until stock retraces to this level, one should not enter into the trade, though it is bullish. Or you can plan here, say 10 lots here, 10 share here, 20 share here, 30 share here. Accordingly, you can build a portfolio in the HDFC Bank Limited. But for intraday, you can enter into the trade with a stop loss of 2878. Again, the Chicago span is coming here. If 2878 is taken out, one should exit into the trade, intraday trade. Selling pressure is being developed with a tendency to move upward is ruled out. Tendency to move upward is ruled out. So selling pressure is seen, will be seen in this stock in the coming hour. The stock will get the support at around 2819 and 2796. This was the analysis of 1 hour chart. Just see the 15-minute chart, which gives you the current scenario. Here in the analysis of 15-minute chart, we find that the selling pressure is there. Because there is a wide gap between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, first of all, and stock is traded below the Tenkan-sen. So we can get the support at around 2819 and yes, 2819 is the first support, which is the level of Kijun-sen. So ideally we should enter at around 2819 or 2796. So these are the levels which we have just conveyed. Thereafter, the target is 2851, and I don't want to change the reservation. First this level should come, I will convey it to you. This was the analysis of HDFC Bank Limited, HDFC AMC Limited, Asset Management Company. Now we have the another stock, that is Tata Consumer Product Limited. Tata Consumer Product Limited. See friends, what we have observed in case of Tata Consumer Product Limited, we have this particular stock has given the trend confirmation generated the trend confirmation candle on 12th of October 2:45 p.m. This is the particular candle. From here, if we will move 26 period to look to find out the highest price made by the stock during this duration or during the last 26 trades, what we observe, the close of this candle is treated as the highest price close and the trigger price will be 893 on the basis of a 15-minute chart analysis. The stop loss is very clear. What should be the stop loss? For intraday players, 891.35. Thereafter, you can trade at your own, but initial stop loss, which I am just conveying you, that this should be the stop loss. Thereafter, target. Target is 900, and again I have to change the resolution. Change it to monthly. The first target is 919 and second target is 957. So friends, what we are seeing here on imposing the pivot level on the monthly basis, we are observing that 919 is the second level where the stock will face the resistance. But whether this resistance will be acceptable means from here we can get the rejection. Can we visualize at this stage? Although the bullish stock is stock is bullish. So in these circumstances, what we can expect that the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen gap is quite high. Unless and until the stock is traded below the Tenkan-sen, one should not expect any correction or any retracement from this level. So one should hold the stock till the stock comes below the Tenkan-sen. Thereafter, see the stand A position, which reflects the if means selling, reflects the selling when it is horizontal or flat. There is a measure, means there is a means situation is not clear at that stage where the buying and selling are buyers and sellers are fighting each other to move the stock in the either direction. And when the standing is tilting towards downward, it gives the clear cut picture that the buyers have lost the ground and sellers has dominated. And when the span A is horizontal and span B is moving upward, that means that buyers has lost the ground and sellers are going to sellers are going to keep the stock in hold. So there is scenario will be seen at that stage, but here the scenario is somewhat different. Sellers are losing the ground here. Buyers are dominating. So stock will reach this level and thereafter we will see. So this was the analysis of Tata Consumer Product. 1 hour chart is you can analyze the 1 hour chart where you will find that the Tenkan-sen is flat. Kijun-sen is moving upward. It shows the bullishness. Span A is tilting upward, which shows the stock is in buyer's grip. So in this way you can analyze. Again, if you are having some confusion, then just drop an email. I will clarify it. This is the complete interpretation of Ichimoku trading system with respect in combination with MACD. MACD is quite simple. That is, crossover is seen from upward crossover is observed, then bullishness, and downward crossover is when observed, the stock is in the bearish zone. Whereas in case of Ichimoku system, there are 5 components, and that 5 components has to be analyzed in separately, and thereafter the result can be concluded, not before that. So overall the stock is bullish. So when to enter, that is 893 was the price. Now when you want to enter, you should wait at least for the second retracement which is due and which can be observed from the 919 level. From this, if the retracement begins, the stock can get the support at around 899 or just above this level. So just wait and watch what will be the level. I will convey you in the uh, coming trading session if the retracement is being observed. So Tata Consumer Product has been analyzed. Third is Ipsa Lab. See, in case of Ipsa Lab, what we are observing that because time is above the price and above the crowd. Both the scenario has been satisfied. But the Gapping between the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen is quite high, and stock is traded below the Tenkan-sen. This gives the indication that the stock will approach Kijun-sen for the further support. Span B and span A are almost flat, so one can expect the smooth fall, and there will not be seen any resistance while the price is deteriorating. So friends, one should see that stock is coming to the Kijun-sen level. That is, we are expecting that the price is coming around 952 level. At 952 level, one should enter into the trade first of all. Now see the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we are observing the crossover in Tenkan-sen crossover is seen here clearly, whereas MACD confirmation has not, this trend confirmation candle has not been seen right now. So as and when the trend confirmation candle is generated, we have to fix the trigger price, and accordingly, when the trigger price will be fixed, thereafter the target is can be specified. See, monthly target, it is very clear. It can take a month or two to achieve. Just note it down. That is 962 level, 989 level, and 1042 level. So 1042 level can be achieved in a span of 3 months time, and first two levels can be achieved in a month's time. This month's time. But if the resolution is changed, and that is quite necessary right now, I will change the resolution to the monthly basis, weekly basis. This is the weekly basis. Now see what is the position. $19.64 is the target, the last target. After that, we have to rely on the monthly target itself, which I have specified. The crossover is going to happen. See here, MACD confirmation. After the MACD confirmation, we can get the trend confirmation candle, and the close of that particular candle will be the close or open according to the scenario. If the bearish scenario is being seen, bearish candle has been formed, then the open of the particular candle will be taken as the trigger confirmation candle, uh, trade confirmation candle, and if the bullish scenario is seen, then the close of the bullish candle will be taken as the trend confirmation candle, and the close will be specified as the trigger price. So friends, wait for another 1 hour. 8 minutes here for the second candle, whether the crossover is being observed or not, that will be confirmed here. If not, then wait for the further confirmation in case of equal. And last is polycat. So friends, all the analysis has been executed and conveyed to you. Now we are just moving to the polycat. Polycat India Limited. Yes. What you are observing, friend? See, this was the trend confirmation candle. If you will look at 25 period, 26 period to find out the highest price made by the stock during this duration, that is last 26 days. This is the entry price, that is 5,292. 5,292 is the entry price. Make it clear. This is green. Span A is giving the positive crossover, means span A is crossing the span B from above. So this is the green cloud formation confirmation has been seen. If we will just draw the 10 confirmation candle from here, this particular candle is the trend confirmation candle. So you can take this also as a second trigger price. Overall, you can just overall what I am trying to say that automatically you can see these two levels for buying from 5,294 to 5,321 to accumulate the stock. Okay, this is the first scenario. Second one, very important, Tenkan-sen is approaching the cloud top to cross this cloud. So this is the another bullish scenario. So one could gather this stock and hold till 15 days so that you can reap the good profit. And the target is very clear, 5,364 and 5,452. This is the target. So 5 to 10 days one should hold this stock to get the maximum benefit. So this was the stock which was analyzed for your knowledge. If you need any clarification, drop the email or message in the comment section. I will reply it at the earliest. The email address I want to convey you, that is bistel.director@gmail.com. Bistel, Bistel dot director at gmail.com. So friends, all the stock has been analyzed and vital aspect has been covered for trading or accumulating the stock. In this way, we analyze the stock and the concept is being delivered to you. I request you to kindly analyze the stock in the higher time frame as well as in the lower time frame also, so that you should be familiar enough regarding the terminology used in the Ichimoku trading system, which is a very, very, very strong trading system which gives you the clear picture or vision of the trades where the stock is moving. So friends, once again I am requesting you to kindly circulate this video in your circle or group so that maximum people can be benefited on getting the trading concept and prevent the future losses due to lack of knowledge. So friends, thank you very much. Subscribe the channel, the said channel, to get the regular update of the videos which we are just posted. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.